outstanding design defines the 2005 Ford Freestyle. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.